Hey YouTube crafters! Today we're going to make an easy, inexpensive gingerbread Christmas tree. Now I made mine tall and thin, but you can make yours wider. You'll see as we get going, if you have a Dollar General close to you, you can get some inexpensive items there and at the Dollar Tree. So let's get started.
Okay, we're going to start out with an 8x10 piece of cardstock, and I've got it in craft brown. And we're just going to make a little cone shape out of it and trim off the excess edges. Now, I've got a candle holder that mine's going to go on, and it just so happens I cut it the exact size to fit. Well, it fits pretty snug, but it fits. Now, I've got this cord. It's mesh cord that I got from the Dollar Tree. And so I'm going to put this around with my hot glue gun. And I'm going to put it in layers, like a row of pink, then a row of white. And I'm going to put, I've got some really cool, like, they're cool stickers from the Dollar General. So if you have a Dollar General near you, you should get some. They're really thick and kind of like a foamy. So that'll give them a good 3D effect. So you can bend them to curve them around to fit, to mold to your shape. And I'm going to initially put them on just with the stickum until I get my layers of the cord. I'm going to put them on there so I can see where I need my cord. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to hot glue them on. So I'm going to do this all the way up to the top. And I'm just doing the front right now to get, like I said, to get my lines where I want my cord to go. And then in the back where I have my cut line, I'm going to put some big ones on the back to cover up the line. You'll see that here in a second. See, I'm going to put like this big Santa right here because he'll cover up that line really good, or that wreath would work. And then I'm also going to fill in with some, I have lots of gems to choose from, but I have some little tiny white ones that I think I'm going to end up ultimately using. Now, these little ornaments I got at the Dollar General as well. They're plastic, but it was $1 for the whole package. And I'm just going to cut off the tip of my tree so that the ornament will fit down inside for a topper. And I'm also going to add a little hot glue in there. And then I've made some little bows from the mesh cord. And I'm just going to hot glue those right on there. I'm going to put one in the front and one in the back. And they're big enough so that from any side it will cover up that little cut at the top. Now for the stem of the candle holder, I'm just going to take this cord, put a little hot glue, wind the cord a little bit, put a little hot glue, wind the cord a little bit. And I'm going to do this all the way down the stem and across the foot. And these are the little gems I was talking about, these little tiny white ones. You see, I have a bunch out here that I was holding them up trying to see what would look best, but I like the white ones. And I'm really happy with how this turned out. It's adorable in person.
Okay, that's it for today. I hope you make one. I hope I gave you some inspiration, get your creativity going, and have an awesome day. Bye.